What's up, online shoppers? My friends at Renpho gifted me the Renpho Active Powerful and Quiet Percussion Massager. Now, I am a big fan of Renpho because I have a ton of their products. So getting a massager from them, definitely not a sad girl. What I like about the Renpho massage guns is they all come in a really nice handy little case. This one here's got double zippers and these really nice pull tabs. Inside, we've got this great little massager. Now, there are a ton of different pieces that go with it, and all of them connect to this really nice, small little handheld unit. Weighs about 2 pounds, maybe 2.5 pounds, so it's not overly heavy in your hand, and it's got a really nice, smooth silicone handle that makes holding onto it feel buttery and soft, and also a good grip without it being super slippery. This, of course, is the way that you charge it with a USB-C. You just have to plug that into a block, and then this one plugs in right on the bottom, just like that. So nice and easy. You are not supposed to use it when it is charging, and I always like to see if it comes charged. And it did. 80% charged on this. Now, this massager comes with a variety of different heads, and all you have to do is just pop them in like that to get it fully done. This massage head I haven't seen before. It's actually a nice rubber with a little bit of a shock absorber in there. So let's get this going. There we go. You can see it going like that. This is a really nice massager. I like the feeling of it. I've had a few different ones, and sometimes I find the head is really hard, but this actually feels really nice on my muscles, the front of my arm here. I also like that this is actually a really quiet massager. It doesn't make a lot of noise when it's in use. It's actually a really nice little compact machine. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and switching out the heads is pretty easy. You just have to give it a little tug and then push it in like that. This one here is a nice little massage head into the meat like that. I like to use this one right along the tops of my shoulders to really get in those tight areas in my neck here. Almost as good as my masseuse's fingers. Now, these little massagers have a preset 10-minute off safety setting so that they don't overheat and so that the machine isn't damaged and you don't get injured. And I really love that it has this nice little travel case because it keeps everything really nicely contained in a neat package. Now, let's check out some of the other massage heads too. It's always a good idea to shut the machine off before you change the head. That'll prevent you from damaging any of the hardware inside. And then again, just in and out with a little push, and then on at the back, and then a push to get it started. There we go. Really nice. Now, this has 5 different speeds, and it has 5 different massage heads. So you can customize the massage head to the area and also the speed and intensity that you are using the massager for. I really like these. I'm a track and field coach, and I always make sure that one of my massagers makes a trip with me on the road when we go and travel to competitions. So this little one here with its nice compact size is definitely going to be one that I think will get tucked in my sports bag all the time. I really like how light it is. I like how easy it is to use and operate. It's got a really nice, clear, sharp display. I don't have to squint to see any numbers. And this one here is actually my favorite massage head. It's new. I haven't seen many like it. And the feeling of that one is actually really nice. So if you're looking for a great massager, this is the Renpho Active Shiatsu Percussion Tissue Massager. It's got a lot of different great massage heads, really nice and easy to operate, and this snazzy little case to keep it all contained and organized. This one here is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.